At least I tell you I done for well. Me have little money, I could have buy back 2 tires. I don't have no money to buy back a tire. If I go put down on tire man, they say me get all one tire. And put it on it. Rim, not the rim them. Rim them alright. That time we make money we can put on them. Road taxi. We touch you with now. And we make all 5 grand. Now I have little money and the tire I get could have buy one brand new tire. Not about go on. Go on I tell man, you know, say me can get a second hand tire. Because I know they must have good second hand tire when they take off a car. You can put money and be good to go. By the time and time you can buy 4 new tires. See, this good for road taxi. This thing good. I chunk this car than this. I touch on the road. And I make all 5 grand for the day. And only for money that better for people. I don't know where she talk about. By the time money start coming, I realize and say, I right thing, me, choose. All them never rough people. Rough people now put on away. This is gonna make you happy. Let me know about.
Yeah man, one chop lad.
One choppy. Ayata!
Yeah.
Get one bucket there with some water and piece of cloth for me.
Bucket to push piece of cloth. Yeah, out on the road now go right now.
What do you want?
On the road.
What do you want?
What do you mean what do I? That thing's
You don't cook?
Cook what?
No food? You hungry now?
Nah, do no cooking right
You
now.
mean you don't know cooking?
I tell you the same thing where you
Oh,
tell me.
I know,
You
man,
nah
this
do
man
no
about-
work. Man, I do not cooking. You go about your business. You go about my business. Later, baby.
So wait. See, you could cook before you left.
Cook before you left. Me never asked you to cook this morning. You couldn't do it for me. What me have to do it for you? Me have things to go to the road, but I don't have time for you. Later, baby.
Oh, what is man? Oi!
You see your father now, and you say you get from your pants. They come beat your brother, so I'm going to tell you.
What you be girl for me? You know what thing, man?
No thing, I'm never that fast with them. What you got me? What you move with them with you?
But you don't know